What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. After a year of waiting around and not working on the Cutlass, we are back at it again. Hopefully gonna get this LS fully into the Cutlass and complete for this 2023 season. So let's go ahead and jump into it, pick up where we left off, and show you what we're doing today. So about a year ago, the last thing we did on the Cutlass was put in the exhaust headers or exhaust manifolds. That went very smoothly and everything like that, but then we went ahead and dropped it. When we dropped it, we have all the parts and everything like that. As you can see, they're all right behind us, and that's what we're going to go ahead and do is pick up today and start installing those parts. So those parts behind me are all things for the front drive. So we're talking water pump, power steering, alternator, pulleys, belt. We got the whole thing. And for the accessory driveline, we're also using some parts from ICT Billet. Everything is going to be listed in the links below for our Amazon store, but you can go and check those out. But we'll go through each one of them, how we're going to be doing it, because we're going to be using the truck pulley. Truck pulley is going to be a little bit different than, say, that using like a Camaro pulley or something else. So we'll go through everything it takes to go ahead and use the truck pulley like what I'm going to be doing. So let's go ahead and take a look at all the parts and see what we're going to actually be installing onto the front driveline. So what we're going to do now is just go through all the parts. Just get you all the part numbers and everything like that. Like I said, they'll be in the links below. But for the water pump, we're going to be using the Gates. This Gates is the 45002 water pump. It's pretty much just a pump and pulley all on the unit. Next is the alternator. This is the AC Delco. AC Delco number is 3351068. And then we'll go ahead and go on to the other side, and I'll tell you the rest of the parts. Next, we got the power steering pump. So this is from Cardone 9669849. That does not come with the pulley, so you need to buy the pulley separate. Our pulley, this is a GM pulley, 12559885. As well as this is the tensioner unit, AC Delco. The AC Delco number is 38158. And then for the water pump, you got to buy the water pump thermostat housing. This is also from Gates. This is 34702. I believe this does come with the thermostat in there. And then the thing that's going to tie it all together is the parts from ICT Billet. This does have the part number on it. This is 551570-3. This is the accessory bracket kit to make it all happen. This is the spacers for the water pump to bring it out, because you will need to modify a little bit to make it all work together. I'll verify that part number though and link it down below. But that's pretty much all the parts we're going to need. Like I said, we're going to be reusing the truck harmonic balancer. And if there's anything else, I'll make sure to bring it up. But right now, we're just going to kind of just jump into it. We'll be working through it, and we'll throw you any red flags or any information you might need. there we go. We went ahead and installed the full pulley system on the front. That's the power steering pump, water pump, ICT billet pieces. We have the alternator, also the tensioner and crank. So that all makes it up. We did not do the power steering pulley yet. We'll do that first thing when we start the next episode. I need to get my installer. It's just at my house, so I gotta go grab it. Didn't feel like it tonight, so we'll start the next episode with that. And then we're gonna move on to something really fun, which is the wiring harness. So we're gonna start laying the wiring harness onto the engine and mapping and routing where we're going to actually have the terminator stay. We have an idea that it's gonna be up here in the front, but we just gotta make things work. But we're really excited to hopefully get this thing to run here in the next few episodes. So stay tuned and check out the next episode.